Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll introduce how to create a test file in Xcode. Okay, let's get started. Xcode, we'll use our macOS as an example. Okay, so last time we create a chessboard model struct here, model data type for that. So here we have an init board. We created all the 32 pieces in this function, okay, or method. Now let's try to create. Let's go here. Let's add a target here. Add. Is there a test? UI testing, unit testing bundle. Okay, let's select this one. Next. So we can accept this suggested name, macOS tests. Okay, so yeah, finish. Now we have a new folder here. Oh, there's even a automatically generated test file. Okay, so we can simply use this for now, and yeah, don't worry about that. We can easily to create our own test method. Delete. Okay, so simply type test and use the template. Okay, you see, test something. So for the function to get a diamond icon to its left, we need to use this name, lowercase test and something, and test what? Test test printing. Okay, now just print. No, print something. Okay, something. That's my favorite, something underscore. Now you see there's a runnable, right, icon here. So let's click that. So it should be, so without running the whole application, it will just run this function only. Let's see, build. Okay, test succeeded. Well, yeah, so here this is the output. Okay, output. So it means we can do whatever we like. For example, we can do this, right? 1 plus 2. Say we want to quickly test our like understanding of this thing, right? We can create like 1 result equals 0, then for I from 0 to 100. Sorry, 1 to 100 is better. So we can do this, right? Plus equal to I. So after that, we can print out the result, right? Result is like that. Result. Okay, so bye bye. We don't need that. Let's see. Click again. Oh, my bad. Here we should be dot inclusive. Okay, now run again, because we need, yeah, we are expecting the famous 5050. Yes, Okay, there's a story about little Gauss, right? The famous mathematician. Now, normally we don't use print in our test file, but we'll talk about that later. That's not the focus of today. But we can use xct assert equal like that, expecting that, and the actual value like that. So say we put we fail it on purpose, okay, like that. Or yeah, I think it's better to go back to the original one. This, yeah, I made a mistake like that. Okay, and run it. It will fail, right? Yeah, test failed. You see, xcd assert equal failed. 5050 is not equal to this is the actual value. So we know, oh, something's wrong. Then we go back to check our code. Oh, here we spot it. Here's the mistake. Now test again to make test succeeded. Okay, cool. Now we can get rid of, right? We'll use this test case to guarantee our logic here is correct. Okay, now let's go to our main business today. Let's print out an empty chessboard, okay, using empty chessboard first. So to use this struct inside the test bundle, we need to add something here, import. Otherwise, let's try it. So no, don't do that. Remember, use test, right? Like that. Test empty chessboard. Okay, so test print. Okay, print printing. Okay, it's better. So now let's create an object of our chessboard like that. Chessboard equals chess. No, right? It doesn't pop up, so it means we need to it's like add a testable import our project name. So this name is this name, okay, the project name there on the, so Mac, yeah, this guy. Now it should be okay. Chessboard, you see, yeah. Now let's create one here. And what if we print out our chessboard? Let's see. We can save. Yeah. Now this guy pop up, right? The icon, can click that. So if we print out the chessboard, this object, it will show something like that. But we can customize the output of the printing using this syntax. So we'll make this one adopt. It's called a protocol. A protocol is custom string convertible. This guy. Okay, now wait for a few seconds. There's an auto fix here. Do you want to add protocol? Stops. Okay, it's a method. Like, oh, it's not a method, it's a variable. Okay, so we can, let's close this one. We can do something like that. Return something. Okay, description of chessboard, like that. Command B to make sure it compiles. Yes. So now next time when we print out an object of this guy, this struct, it will output whatever returned in this protocol property. Okay. Wow. So because this is something not that important, so I want to put it at the bottom. Okay. So yeah, but this guy is very important. This one is just a description of that. Okay, now let's go back to here to make sure we can see, right, that string. Run it. Right, I didn't lie, right? I didn't lie. Now we can put our description, a real description of our board. What is that? We can using a text-based, right, description of our chessboard. Okay, now let's go back. So we can quickly output our 8x8 dots. Okay, so we can define a var desc equals nothing, empty. So a for loop, right? I 0 dot dot less than 8. We can output 8 dots. So desc plus equal like a dot. So yeah, I think we can make it wider, so we can hold on Option key and click this guy here, so you can see both. So make it smaller and run this very function, right? Again, run it. Oh, sorry about that. I need to return the DESC. Okay, now run again. Yeah, the first row, right? The first row of that. Okay, so we need 8 of them, right? So we'll put this inside another for loop, right? J 0 dot dot less than 8. Paste. Now let's run it. Don't worry about the warning. Oh, we need a line break, right? Line break. So it means, so after each row we can use, right, add line break. This is our line break. Now run it again. Cool, right? So now we can at the top like labels for 0 1 2 3 until 7. Let's do that. We can use another for loop, right? I 0 dot dot less than 8. So we can just use this plus equal our backslash that one, right? And I. Okay, we need a space here. Okay. Don't forget, we need a line break here, like that. So try it. Yeah, you see the top label, right? Now let's add the label on the left, 0 1 2 3 4 until 7 down the road. Okay, we can put the, I think, here. So each time, sorry, we'll use j, right? The value of j here, and space. Nope, we don't need that space because for each dot we already have a space there. Now run it. I think we need to add one space at the top. Yeah, here. So this is easy. We can just do that. Okay. To fix this, right? The missing space here. Run it. Cool, right? So this is our empty chessboard. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.